Roll an oval ball of fondant and on each side with a knife or a toothpick, do an indent to create each leg. Insert 2 half toothpicks. This will hold the head on. Roll a cone and flatten out the top side to place the eyes. With a little sugar glue or water, fix the head onto the body. Turn up the nose and put a little hole in the end with a toothpick or skewer. Now find something you can rest the nose on while it sets. After rolling a ball of fondant, apply pressure just to one side as you roll it in your hands to make a cone. This is going to be the elephant's tail. Now with a not very sharp knife, cut off the large end so it's nice and straight. With a pair of scissors, you can cut multiple times to turn into the elephant's tail hair. To make the elephant ears, you can use a heart, a circle, or an oval cutter, whichever you feel looks best. Now you need to decide on how you want the elephant ear to sit. Reposition until you're happy. You may want to reshape your shape even a little bit more. Now glue your ear on. This is an optional extra, but we've made a safari hat for our elephant. We've just cut out a circle of fondant, and we're now going to roll a ball of fondant to sit on the top. We have indented the top of the ball for the top of the hat, and we're going to glue it onto the brim. Now we're wrapping a little ribbon of fondant around the edge of the safari hat to finish it off. To make the eyes, you can use small balls of black fondant, an edible marker, or edible gel. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and you like us on Facebook. Happy decorating!